video, and for today we're going to be doing a very random Amazon haul for you guys. And once again, my Amazon Prime membership got us in trouble because we need half of this stuff and we don't need the other half. So we're just gonna hop right into the haul and get started. Okay, so the first thing that we got, we actually did need, and it is hair dye. You guys know we dye our hair black a couple times a year. It's already dark though, we just want it even darker. Yeah, we like jet black hair. Yeah, and our natural hair color is like a dark brown, really dark brown. So yeah, it looks black but just not as rich as when we dye it. Exactly, we like a blue black. Yeah. But this is from the brand Pravana, and this is their Chroma Silk. And we've never tried this brand before. Kendra actually discovered this brand on Amazon. We get the color 1N, which is black, and we usually use Redken hair dye. Yeah, it's called Redken Chromatics, but I can't really find that hair dye anywhere. It's really hard to find. Yeah, it is. And this one kept coming up when I would type in Redken Chromatics. So I'm assuming this is similar to that one. And this is more of like a salon type of hair dye. So it's not like the box color that you get from the drugstore. Yeah, because you do need a developer. Yeah, this does not come with developer. Yes. When you're dyeing your hair black, you don't really need anything crazy like a 20 volume. We just use a 10 volume developer. Yeah. You just mix equal parts. This is for people who trying to dye their hair at home. Do it at your own risk, but if you're curious, you're not supposed to pour a lot of developer. You just do equal parts of however much hair dye you use. And then developer. And then developer. Yeah, equal parts. Yes. But we've already tried this and I really like it actually. Yeah, I was like, it came out super rich. And I actually made Kendra dye my hair this time and I dyed hers. A lot easier that way. And once I washed it out, I realized how much richer it was than the box dye that I had in before, which was the L'Oreal. The L'Oreal one I use, the Feria one. That's the box dye from the drugstore I use. And this is a permanent hair color. So it says permanent cream hair color. It doesn't fade. Yes. Yeah. And I really like this one too because it has keratin proteins in it, so it's really good for like the integrity of the hair. I always love any kind of hair dye that has any other like beneficial ingredients to add to the hair, because dyeing your hair isn't that good for it in general. Not really, no. So that's a plus that it has silk and keratin proteins in it. So if you guys are curious about a black hair dye, this one is the way to go. Like, you will not be disappointed. Yeah, especially if box dye from the drugstore is not working for you. You might want to try salon brands. They're just overall better for the hair, and they're richer too as well in color. The next thing is kind of random. I honestly did not need this because I usually use a toothbrush for my edges, and Kendra got me this. She put me onto this. You actually already had one. This is a edges brush slash comb. Like, one side is like a really big toothbrush, like for a horse or something, and then the other side is like a comb. I have not tried it yet, so I can't say if it works just like my toothbrush trick. So would you say it works just like the toothbrush? I think it does. I like how long. I just like the density of the actual brush part. Oh, that is thick. So it's like really dense, and it lasts longer than when you use a toothbrush, because I feel like when I've used the toothbrush, I can use it like 2 or 3 times and it don't work the same. That's because of all the edge control that's in it. Oh, you probably have to clean it. That's also true. I do clean this one. Okay. So I clean that one, but I just like the bristles better. Got it. I honestly wouldn't even need the comb side. I don't use that. I prefer just to do brush. I like natural looking baby hairs. I don't like to do the little cuts. I don't like that either. No offense if you do that. I prefer the, you know, natural laid baby hairs. Yeah, the more minimal baby hair look. Yes, exactly. Okay, so the next couple of things that we got are glasses. We have quite a few glasses, but I feel like we were missing a couple, and I needed a few more of the kinds that we already have. These are from the brand Elixir Glassware, and we really needed some champagne flutes. I know that sounds random, but this is a random haul. We don't have any champagne flutes. We only have wine glasses and a couple of like those, what do you call those, short, the ones you put liquor in, the short glasses. Oh yeah. We have those, but we don't have any champagne flutes. So I was like, I should probably try some. I did recently get some from Crate & Barrel that are really nice, but I wanted to get some from Amazon as well, because we wanted to compare. Yeah. Okay, so typically we get our glasses from Williams-Sonoma and Crate & Barrel because they have really nice ones. Or Home Goods. Or Home Goods. But I really like the Crate & Barrel ones the most because they aren't as expensive as the Williams-Sonoma ones, but they have amazing quality. So these look very similar to the ones that I recently got from Crate & Barrel. The shape is just a little bit sharper around the edge. So these are the champagne flutes we got. But a really annoying thing that just happened, I just opened it and one of them came broken. So there you go.
That sucks.
Yeah, it's annoying.
I mean, but these were cheaper than
the Crate and Barrel
ones, so
I mean, what can you do?
Sometimes you do get what you pay for, but these are still really nice.
These are really, really nice.
Yeah.
Champagne flutes. Not that we're gonna be drinking out of these often because we don't drink champagne often, but it's still good to have them.
You just never know when you need to pop open a bottle of Moet or Dom, so we just wanted to be prepared.
I really like the shape of these though.
I do too.
I like these.
Real pretty. I like the taller
Some champagne
ones.
flutes are ugly to me, and I just don't like how most of them look.
They're like very like old-fashioned looking.
Yeah, I don't like that.
I don't like those either. I like the really long ones.
Yeah.
And you can do like a peach Bellini in this too. That would be good.
Mimosas.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that would be good. Like if you did a brunch or something. And then the other glasses that we got are red wine glasses. This is my favorite shape of glass because I drink red wine mostly. We do. That's our choice of wine. About 95% of the time.
Yeah.
So this one, it only came with 2. How much was it for 2?
I honestly don't remember.
Okay. This is my favorite shape for red wine. This is a cab glass. So you typically would drink cab out of this kind of red wine glass. So I don't really know what a Pinot Noir glass is. I don't know because I don't drink Pinot Noir. It's disgusting. But
yeah, it's nasty.
Cab.
I'm sure you can drink all reds out of this kind of glass.
Really? I thought this was just called a cab glass.
Typically, but I'm sure you still can drink other reds from that kind of glass.
Got it. This is my favorite shape, like I said, of glass because I like how wide it is at the top, how big it is at the top, and it has a really nice skinny stem on it. I love that. So it just looks really cute in your hand, and you know, I just like how it looks. Super cute.
And I like how it feels too.
It's way more comfortable.
So that's the key to figure out if you like a glass. How does it feel in your hand?
Yeah, that's true. I feel safer when I drink out of these, low-key, because we have short glasses without a stem.
Yeah.
And they're super, super cute, but sometimes they don't feel as stable in your hand, especially if you have smaller hands.
That's very
like
true.
You feel like it's gonna like slip out of your hand.
So true.
But this doesn't feel like that. So that's also why I like the glass with a nice stem on it.
Yeah, I like these. And I also got more red wine glasses from Crate and Barrel, and they're very similar to these. Again, not the exact same, but these feel really nice and sturdy in comparison to those as well. So I would check out Amazon for some red wine glasses if you're looking. And these are very similar to the Crate and Barrel price. I forgot how much they were, but they are really like close in price. But these were still a little bit less if I'm not mistaken. And especially if you're buying a lot, it still might be better just to buy the cheaper ones.
Yeah.
Because these are just as nice.
Yeah, because they only come in like a box of 2.
Yeah.
Which is kind of annoying.
Yeah, I wish they would have came in 4.
Yeah, that would have been nice. So, but yeah. And this JBHO brand with the cap glasses, it came with this card, and this is a wine pairing guide, and it basically just tells you what kind of wine goes with what kind of food pretty much, which I thought was interesting. So it has like colors at the top, and it basically tells you like what you want to eat like with cheese or what you want to eat with chicken, ribeye, pork, Parmesan, cheddar. So I thought that was kind of interesting. And at the top it has all of the wines. It has sparkling, Riesling, Chardonnay, Cabernet, and Merlot.
I'm just looking at my 2 favorites right next to each other, the Chardonnay and the Cabernet.
Yeah. And
those are my 2 favorite kinds of wine.
Yes, and of course it says Cabernet goes with cheese.
Cheddar or ribeye. I don't really eat steak.
Yeah, me either.
And then of course it goes with chocolate.
Yep.
So next I have something that pairs really, really well with wine, and that's pajamas. So I have quite a few pajamas. I recently did like a declutter of some of my drawers like I do. Is that how you say it? Drawers?
What are you talking about?
Drawers. I feel like I can't say that word.
Drawers.
Drawers. I feel like I said it weird at first.
When did you say drawers?
Never mind, don't worry about it.
You didn't say drawers like, you know, men underwear. You said drawer.
Okay. So I just did some decluttering and I got rid of a lot of pajamas.
Yeah,
and
I did too. Same.
I recently got a lot of silk pajama sets that I really love, but I also wanted to try some from Amazon to see if I like them. I already have some silk nightgowns from them, but I don't have like any sets like that come with shorts. So I really wanted to try some, and I don't have any yellow pajamas. So when I saw these, I was like, I have to try them because I'm not a huge fan of color, but when it comes to pajamas, I will wear color. I'm going to bed. And it's just a fun way for me to look forward to going to bed because I'm not the best sleeper, but when I have like my routine down pat and I have like a nice bedtime ritual, that makes it a lot more fun.
I agree.
So I know it sounds random, but for me, it makes it, you know, a ritual to go to bed when I'm excited about my pajamas and the products that I'm going to use Is that dorky?
If that's dorky, then I'm a dork.
Oh,
Because I
okay.
do the same thing. I get so excited to take a shower, put on my skincare,
Yeah.
put on my body care, and put on some cute pajamas. It's like the cherry on top of the go to bed Sunday.
Yes, and I'm super excited over new pajamas all the time.
Same.
So I got
They're cute.
these. So these are the shorts that they come with. They're just the simple, like satin short. I think these are silk, not satin. If
They
I'm
feel
not
like
mistaken.
silk to me.
So this says the brand is called Accor, but these are satin PJs, silk sleek cami set. So they are blend. I'm assuming they say silk and satin, and this is the cami. I like cami tops just because they're the most comfortable, and I love this yellow, super pretty for summer. So
Like a banana.
yeah, like a banana.
Like
And
an
I like to
avocado.
get my pajama sets or any kind of pajamas in a medium
Yeah.
because I don't like them to fit too tight. Plus, when you wash them, you know, they might get smaller anyway.
That's true, yeah.
So these are really, really stretchy. Love the style of these. So I love those yellow ones. And I also got this blush pair. I have a lot of pajamas in this color.
That's
the
pretty.
shade, like this champagne blush shade.
This is like a lychee shade.
Yeah, it's pretty. So I got
Lychee.
this color. So it's not really picking up. It's a little brighter on camera, but it's more pink in person.
Oh, this is open back.
Yeah, this top is slightly different than the other one. The other one is, I think, was plain.
I was about to say, oh, this is sexy. Back out.
It's comfortable. Yeah, this one is plain in the back.
Yeah, it's just, it goes straight across.
Yeah. So I really like that back was different. Also,
go.
I have quite a few pajamas with like a different back. What is going on?
You're holding the straps, and this is the back.
Oh, okay. So it's like a crisscross situation.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
Well, not really.
It's not? Yes, it is. This is the tag.
The
It'll
back
be
is
a lot easier when I put this on.
Okay, yeah, I like the color though.
Yeah, so I'm sure this makes sense on. But again, I love the shape. That's the best part about Amazon. Their pajama selection, you're gonna find a color that you love. If you like color, they got a bunch of those. If you like neutrals, they have a bunch of those. So I'm always in heaven when I'm on there, when I see all their options. And last but not least, I had to get the really pretty lavender pair
Those
because
are pretty.
purple's my favorite color, and I'm just obsessed with lavender in general when it comes to like pajamas. It's just such a pretty shade for pajamas. These are the same ones as the ones I just showed, the blush color ones. So the back is like crisscross like that. You guys can see that. So probably doesn't make sense holding it up, but I love this color. It's like a really nice soft lavender with like kind of like a blue undertone. I really, really love this lavender shade. So I can't wait to wear these. And again, these are in a size medium. So if you guys are looking to try some pajamas, the brand Accor, we'll have everything linked down below, but that's the name of the brand. I can't really pronounce it, but that's it.
Okay, so the next thing that we got is also kind of random, but this is also something that we feel like we needed. This is a repurchase, and we got a ton of these. This is actually only 3 boxes of this. Kendra got like 6 of these. And I mentioned this on my Insta story a while ago, actually. And this is from the brand The Ginger People. This is a turmeric latte mix. So if you're trying to get into turmeric and ginger, then I would start with this because this is kind of sweet, and you basically just mix it with warm milk, or you can do water, but it tastes better with warm milk. I usually do like rice milk or oat milk. Sometimes I do almond, but you don't really need almond because, like I said, it's already sweet on its own. This has Java turmeric in it and elephant ginger. So this is really good for your digestive system if you've been having, you know, digestive issues.
It's also anti-inflammatory. That's one of the best parts about turmeric that I love. And of course, it has like a lot of other like health benefits.
Yes,
So
a ton.
I'm obsessed with turmeric. I've been dabbling in turmeric for years.
You have. Like she
Yeah.
used to leave like little yellow stains all over the counter.
Yeah, I used to leave trails. So
Like-
now I clean it up right after because it will stain.
Yes, turmeric does stain.
It stains.
Yeah.
But I love this because it comes in like actual packets. So each box comes with 10 packets, and I like these because they're really good for traveling once I start doing that, whatever that is. I don't even know what traveling is anymore. But it comes in a packet like this, so it's super convenient, and then you just put warm milk or, like Kelsey said, hot water. You mix it and you stir it. Boom, there you go. You got your latte. It tastes so bomb. It tastes like something you would get from like a coffee shop, but you made it at home.
Yeah.
So it tastes really good, and it has like a kick at the end of it.
Yeah,
that's
it's
the
kind of
ginger.
spicy. Yeah, I like, but that's what I like about ginger.
Yeah, me too.
Like the burning feeling.
Yes,
I kind of like that.
Definitely. So,
and it helps me go to the bathroom again, like I said, with the digestive issues.
It's caffeine free and non-GMO, so this does not have caffeine in it. I can't have caffeine like that because I lose my mind. So I be making sure that everything I drink does not have caffeine or is decaf. So for me, I can't do caffeine like that. So if you're someone like me or Kelsey, neither one of us can really have caffeine.
Yeah.
If you're like us,
the heart.
Yeah,
beat too fast.
Doing the most.
I like to drink this at night. Like sometimes if I don't have like my blueberry moon milk. You guys saw me make that in like a vlog a while ago. It helps me sleep. If I don't need that, if I'm already sleepy, I'll just have some of this. And it's just really, you know, settling on the stomach.
Yes. And on the back of this, it does say it has recipes on their website for golden milk. It's called golden milk. Like if you've ever heard of a turmeric latte, some people call it golden milk.
Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. It also says it has recipes on the website for liver detox.
Okay. Got it. So if you're interested and if you can't have caffeine drinks that are hot and you're looking for something like this is the best option because I'm obsessed. Okay, so the second to last products that I have are body products, and I get a lot of my body products from Amazon, especially when I don't feel like browsing in Target. And typically this is something that I would get from Target, but I was on Amazon, came across these, and I just added them to my cart because I've really been into fragrance-free body care. I still use some fragrance body care, just not all the time. And these are typically what I would use every single day. So I really wanted to try the Avene ones. These are the Avene Skin Relief Body Wash and their Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion. So I cannot wait to try these. I've already tried the Eucerin body wash before. That's fragrance free. That one is really good. So I'm looking forward to trying these. And if you guys have tried any of the Avene fragrance free products, let me know in the comments because I love fragrance free products because I can use more of it without feeling like it's going to irritate my skin. But like I said, I'm still a sucker for some good fragrance body washes. I just don't use them every day. And if I do use them like consecutive days in a row, like I rinse it off like faster than I would something like this. And Kelsey was joking on me when I picked them up because these are huge. But when it comes to body care, I go through it so fast that this is very necessary.
But that'll last you a while though.
Yeah, maybe not the lotion as fast, but for sure the body wash.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the very last item that I have here is a repurchase. You guys saw this in my, I think I filmed that video maybe over a year ago, and it was my hygiene routine video. You guys saw all the shower products that I use and out of the shower products. And this oil was in that video. This is the Alba Botanica Hawaiian Body Oil. This is their deep moisturizing kukui nut oil. I love this body oil. It smells like summer. It has like a really nice sweet like pineapple like smell. If you guys have ever smelled the OGX kukui oil, like the shine spray,
oh yeah, I love that.
Smells very similar to that. And this was like, I think less than $10. I think it was like $8, maybe $7. This is very affordable and it works amazing. So if you're really into body oils, then I put you on. You're welcome.
Okay guys, so that completes this haul. Let us know if you guys want us to do more Amazon hauls because Kendra usually has enough products to do like one every other month because she's always on there. She needs Amazon Anonymous, like seriously. But yeah, let us know if you guys want to see more Amazon hauls because I probably will be back on there because I want some of them pajamas.
See, it's not just me.
So yeah, we'll have an Amazon link in the description box like we always do if you guys want to check out some of these products. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see y'all next time.